Welcome. So, why are airplanes usually white in color? Mostly you may have met in planes and you have gone to planes, but I don't. So, usually these planes have many reasons why they are being painted white. So, let's come to each reasons. So it may vary from plane to plane. So let's talk about one by one why planes are white. White in color. Reason number one: white color property.
One of the property of white color is that it reflects away all the colors. All the sun rays which is hitting on the plane. So it helps in maintaining the temperature inside the plane. So it is one of the reasons why painted white in color
when compared to the black color which absorbs the colors.
Sunray.
Coming down. Reason number two: maintaining the temperature. So the white color of the plane helps in maintaining a cool temperature inside the plane, so that you may experience that it is very cool in white aeroplanes. This is why one of the reasons why these planes are painted white. Reason number three: white color of plane have less price when compared to other colors. It has been found that white color is cheaper or less price when compared to those planes which are multicolor or planes having other color. So it was found that it can be also one of the reasons why these planes are painted white and not other colors. Reason number 4: difference in weight of the plane makes it to fly more distance in height. It is said that the white color of the plane makes it to go more height of distance. So that is one of the reason why planes are painted in white in color. So during night you have to be careful while going to these planes. I want to just conclude my this video with saying that these can be the 4 reasons why planes are painted white in color. So we will meet you next episode. Till bye bye.